In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 4 credit unions that will easily give you a business loan with no guarantee required. Yes guys, no personal guarantee required at all. You guys can easily apply for these credit unions and get up to $2,000 to even $5,000 in business funding. If you watch this full video, you will learn exactly how to do so. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! If you don't know me, my name is KINGLATTA, and it is my job to help you make money the easy way. And this is Black Investors Group, where we do post videos daily, and I do teach you how to make crypto, how to make money online, how to start your business, and even how to make a trucking business successful. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and check out the Patreon link in the description to get all of my full step-by-step ebook tutorials on how to start your business or how to work whatever niche that you are in. We do have many niches on the Patreon, and if you just want one single ebook, we do have a lot of ebook store and a Shopify link in the description. Go ahead and check out those links and start making some money today. But with all that being said, before we start this video, I want to first show you and teach you how to get approved for business funding if you already don't know so yet. So the first thing I want to tell you is to go to a website such as InkFile, Zen Business, or your local Secretary of State, guys, and make yourself an LLC today. Make yourself an S Corporation LLC and get started. After you make an LLC, it takes about $300 to get the process going, to get the application started, and to get all your paperwork, your EIN number, and all of that. Once you have your EIN number, that's pretty much all you need with this LLC. Now you can apply for a business bank account and a business cell phone. This business cell phone is going to be important because whatever business you decide to pursue, there are going to be many companies trying to get you to buy their services. So you're going to get many phone calls a day, and you can get a business cell number with a company such as Trexa. Next thing you're going to need to do is get a Duns and Bradstreet number. It's going to let the credit bureau see how your business is doing, and it's going to pretty much report to the credit bureau so that you can get approved for more funding. And then the last thing you want to do is make yourself searchable. You want to go to listyourself.com and you want to list your business, or you want to go to Google and list your business on certain websites like listyourself.com or Google, so that you can be looked up and so that people can see that your business is making money or that you're a legitimate business when they're trying to approve you for a loan. But with all that being said, man, let me go ahead and give you the 4 key credit unions that you can get approved for some funding without any type of guarantee. The first one is Andrews Credit Union. All you have to do is type in Andrews Credit Union, and it'll be the first one that pops up. They will approve you up to $500, no personal guarantee at all, and they do approve you pretty fast. The second one is DCU Credit Union. You could get up to $2,000 with this credit union, and like I said, also no personal guarantee whatsoever. And the third credit union is Safe Credit Union. That is SAFE, Safe Credit Union. They will also approve you for $2,000. You can get up to $2,000 with this credit union as well, with no guarantee. Now I know that 500 and the last two was 2,000. It might not sound like a lot, but for a new startup business, this might be a good option for you, because $2,000 just may get your full business started up, and now you can have a loan for $2,000 that's going to build your credit up even more without having to worry about too much to pay for each month. And the fourth credit union, and the last one we're going to be going over today, is Blue Eagle Credit Union. Now this credit union does take $500 to open up, but they will approve you for $3,000 in funding. And now guys, if you really want to get a lot of business funding, you could apply for all 4 of these credit unions and get almost $10,000 in business funding, and your business could be on its way. And each of these loans will be only costing you a little under or a little over $100 a month, depending on the terms that you pick. And another quick pro tip is that banks like to see a longer term so that they could charge you more interest, and so that your rate will be kind of lower, so that you will be more able and a better chance of you paying that on time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the 4 credit unions that will give you quick, fast business funding. If you did, please give it a quick like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell, because we do post videos daily over here to make your life easier and to put more money in your pocket. This is Black Investors Group. Until tomorrow, we out. Woo! And don't forget to subscribe to that Patreon or check out the Lotta ebook store and the link in the description. And follow me on Instagram while you're at it, in the link in the description under the link tree. Now we out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it.